Guys, morning to our YouTube channel. So today we're going out for girls out today. Hello Manjo, morning. Yes. You wear boots? Morning. Oh, that's there's anything else, huh? There's more. There's more?
Only one.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Marian.
Love you.
See ya. Bye-bye. Lagi si Darcy na nag-come. Hello, let's go home. Going to Shellharbour. So let's go. Gala-gala na this. Leah. Hello, Leah. We're going to Shellharbour and Manjo. Hello. Today you're gonna go. Did you make a list? What you gonna get? Shopping list. Or just get what we usually see. Okay, see you later, guys. Today is a public holiday because it's Queen's birthday. So no work, no pay. So let's go shopping.
Spend money.
No work, no pay. Then let's go shopping, spending some money. So they will spend. I will do the video too. Welcome to Cherryberry's house. And there you got the package from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Package from the Philippines, Dai.
There's only one but division.
Oh, okay.
That's package from the Philippines.
Come on, Jen, you're here. You're here.
The police will come and get me and put me in the boat. And it's public holiday, double the merits. For today is about friendship. Like if you're having a lot of friends, like we call it, it's a big circle, too much drama, and small circle means are real friends that you have. So what can you say about the big circle friends? Charot. Charot. So what I mean is like if you have a big circle of friends, like it's hard to go around in a big circle. So that's why you create too much drama, isn't it? So like us Filipinos, yeah, I know. Like in Balinese, Indonesian too.
Oh, yeah.
Same.
Yeah, the same.
Yeah.
The same.
And in yours too, man. We're here, guys. And Shellharbour car park.
I know.
Huh? You're gonna do reversing? And wala masyadong tao kasi public holiday.
It's warmer inside.
Yeah.
That's usual, guys. We're here inside.
Yeah, very much.
So I'll buy one today, okay? Thank you. We're at the group again. So shopping. Fish market. So we're going to the toilet now. That one, oh, lobster. Lobster. Toilet as usual. We're going to the toilet.
Someone's waiting for you guys. We're gonna play this one, $2.
So this is the food court looks like, guys. As usual, this is our favorite shop because this is the closer shop to our place. So wala nang ibang
That
place.
was cute, the bag. I like it.
Yeah.
It's like the shape of just the
Yeah.
model. Are we gonna buy that? Are we gonna up the bit?
And Manjo ordered her coffee.
Yeah, no.
Hello guys, before we start our shopping galore, so we have our coffee first for breaking kasi we didn't have breaking before we left. So,
You want one? Fine.
we start the day without breakfast. So come on, let's see. Yeah, we're from another country, you know.
The agent was $2,000, and then medical was $400, and bits and pieces, photocopy, and police check. I have to get a Turkish police check, and Nigerian police check, and Bali police check, and Australian police check. The country that I've been in the 10 years. Yeah, so I nearly spent like $11,000 there.
Hola.
Yeah.
How about you, Manju? You're from Nepal.
I don't count.
From
Too
seven,
many.
from 7 years.
Yeah,
How much
7
you
is
pay?
the quarter.
How much you pay?
Mine is like 7,000 too. Aside from the agency, you know,
Just the
agent.
visa.
Yeah.
Mine 2017 we launched in, and just the visa was 6,880 something. Yeah, so nearly 7,000.
Mine is like 2014, so that's the time that it's starting. The visa was changed. The you know, the it's supposed to be 4 grand, and then they changed it into 7 grand. So
Yeah.
because I'm in the like end of December
I
year.
remember when my friend 2012 still 2,500.
2012.
Yeah, how
And after that,
yeah, how much that
Yeah.
the big difference. Yeah, really.
getting expensive.
Yeah, and now it's hard to enter Australia because of the COVID. So there's a lot of
Go
change.
to Thailand again.
Again. How much did you pay in your
I
visa?
can't remember. It was all my husband. This was the one doing all the papers. And yes, I'll just wait till the papers approved my visa, and then yeah, we're ready to fly.
Because yours, what year did you came here? What year did you came here?
What year?
I think it's a lot cheaper back then.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Because I've already been here 30 years.
13 years? Wow.
Maybe 30 years.
Me, it's nearly 7 years. Half of yours, no? Half of your year. So there you go, guys. That's a visa, about visa. Our first stop, guys, is Strandbag. So look at the ladies inside. They're having a look. So it's all bags. So how much is that, beautiful?
119.
So half price, so 60 something.
No, that's not.
It's 50%. Oh, really? What you gonna buy, Minju?
Just check.
Have a look. Browse. But it's pretty. It's pretty though. Chira beray. So ang daming bag, guys. So mga TV at the back, guys. So puno sini. So hindi kami nakabili. So our next stop here in the dress shop. So come, let's have a look. Nothing over $30. Nevada. Browse lang tayo. So ito lang. Intercoats. There's Manju and Cherry over there. And it's me here just doing the video. Waiting for Manju, guys. She's just waiting and she's gonna buy something. So let's go. The other two ladies already been to the other shop. So you gonna get it?
This one for boy?
Yeah.
I need to get in for me.
Your hubby?
Yeah,
For Val? Oh, very lucky hubby. Hi.
always
It's Spirit. It's nice brand. Fella. So wow, it's only $5. Let's have a look. There's nothing over $5, guys. So sale talaga siya. So Fela siya $5 so 200 na lang siya. So that's a good crop. Finished there, guys. So me and Manju, we're gonna find the two girls. Where are they now? So they said they will go to the shake shop. Where are they? So let's go. Let's gonna find them. We're working as a pair. So let's go. Please. This is shake. Shake. There's mannequin. It's inside the mall. We're still waiting here, guys, with the two ladies. We're just having some rest before we go anywhere else. Are we, Manju? Because the baby is tired, so we need to have some rest first, okay? Because they're still doing their shopping there, so hello. It's everyone there. And there's the shopping mall at the back. Meyer too. Someone is Meyer. That's Meyer with a mannequin. So I cover the other people behind the back. So yeah, Kuko lang muna tayo while waiting for our other people. With Cherryberry and Laya. So they're enjoying their shopping, guys. They're in shake, guys. I'm gonna find the two ladies. Where are they? Fitting room? How did you go? Oh, finally! We met again! After for how many hours? In the next door, in the corner area. No, we just have some rest first because she's a bit tired. Okay? So we're here. I need to have a look, Manju, okay? I'm gonna go back there. I'll see you later. Hey, hello, Manju. Did you find something? They're here. In there. Over there. Let's go. $50. Duty?
Yeah.
Guys,
It's a nice one.
kadalingi.
The same as this?
No, nice. The one that you wear. Kadalingi sales pero ang problema walay datong.
Pareha naman tahalos dayo.
The color pareha na ta kasiksiha.
Binani
Oh,
nga
I
kwan
was-
o sa nga mga klase sa jacket.
Yung jacket na, daming sales dahil pili sales everywhere. Sales. So what are you waiting for? Shop until you drop. Daily deals, so today's daily sale. Gift cards. Anjo pushing the trolley. I buy perfume, guys. Perfume. And Manju's over there. Where's Manju? What's the smell today? Hmm? Smells really good. Huh? Yeah, you gonna get it? So guys, I like these sandals, you know, and it's only $35 now. Supposed to be 100. I'll have a look, Manju, okay? There's a white color. Used to be 109. Then, you 110 and 49, 35. So good sale. So I'm gonna get it, guys. And Cherry's gonna buy something too, guys. So.
Oh, Cherry, your size.
No, that's seven.
Don't put too tight, you know? Yeah, I don't like too tight. Yeah, this one fit. You put on less, you know? You tight your less. Yeah. Look beautiful, Cherry. Yeah, you tight your less. No, other one. No, that other one. Last one. Yeah.
That's it. It's loose.
Okay.
So this is
This
7.
one.
I need 6.
6. Oh my
I
god,
need-
Cherry, you're in my size same.
I need 6 of these.
Cherry, you're in my size same.
6.
6.
Is this a working one? No, you need to ask.
Oh,
Ask that lady.
Is this a working shoes? Give her the shoes. Is this a working shoes, huh?
You ask her number 6 and she give you. Put your shoes on top. You don't go one shoes. Put in one shoe. No. Go 6 size 6.
No. Because I'm in hurry. I couldn't find the size. I'm very. That's the one that you wear. Oh, the nice one.
I went for the lady.
Oh, she's not coming back. sorry.
Yeah.
And so,
Oh. Yeah.
I'm gonna try my after pay as well.
2 miles. Huh? 25.
Huh? 30% sale.
No, 50%. 25. 25 this one. Put on 30%. Hey, that black one's so beautiful.
Huh?
That black one. Little bit
True. A bit big. I don't mind to get it. You know the guest one?
Yeah, try one more time. Try.
No, no, it's too big, Manjo.
Too big?
Too big. Too big.
I'm already told.
You didn't-
I'm
you
gonna
didn't
be like
need
a
it.
Kawayan.
You didn't need it.
Not too big.
Oh,
Not too big.
too big.
Is that too big, that one?
Yeah.
Look at that, Manjo.
Try to do that with
Oh, no, but you can fit in.
more this time.
Yeah, big.
Okay.
I already made up my mind. Oh, it's too big now.
Are you gonna buy that one, yeah?
Yes, we like it, but there's
Yeah,
no
we're
stock.
gonna buy.
Yes.
Are we gonna pay?
I'll just go run. Okay. Let's go.
Take your.
So I just get the camera off. Or just leave. Here in their favorite shop, guys. Forever new. Forever new, girls. Go, go, go. Shopping, shopping, shopping.
See, so, you know guys, I'm not that happy because yung sale na ginugay sa akin, hindi talaga very great sale. So, after pay sila, bumalik na online.
Hello guys, may baon kaming rice. Rice is live at saka chili. So, rice is live. Hindi kami rice talaga. Rice with luwag. So, kain lang tayo.
Then KFC, chicken bacon. So, there's a beautiful ladies there. Hello, inside.
There you go.
So that's it. So KFC. I'll do it again. Chicken. Rice. Rice. Yeah. So guys. So let's try. Nagdala ako ng ito, no? Kasi no. finish eating, guys, hi? Before and after.
After we eat, there's still left on our right. Here, look at chili. Fried rice. So still got lots of fried rice.
So I'm gonna give you a tips, guys. When you're going somewhere, you need to bring a rice. Bili lang kayo ng ulam na gusto nyo. Pwede rin kayo magdala ng tubig para less expenses kung gusto nyo. Kasi at saka busog na busog kayo. Satisfied talaga kayo. You're satisfied. Okay? So we finished our lunch, guys. So we're going somewhere again. Toilet. Where's the toilet? Here. So we're going to the toilet again. We are here in Target. So nag-shopping galore na naman. Window shopping na ako sila nag-shopping. So hanap tayo ng sale. If you can find a sale, okay? So yeah. Customer service. So clearance sale. Wow. It's only $1.50. Before is $5. Wow. So daming sale, guys. Basta yellow sale siya. So guys, we're here. The two single ladies here. All the single ladies. All the single. Put your hands up.
And the two married ladies is in there. On the other side. You buy gifts for their child.
Tired now, guys. So it's very quiet. So which is good. No, huh?
I'm not tired yet.
No, but the two ladies here, yeah. And I just have some rest post for a while. Alright, Target Youth.
The black bag, eh? Black.
Yeah,
black,
I think I'm the one, the Target Youth. So guys, I'm here outside waiting for them. They're still there inside the supermarket. So hello guys, stop over na naman tayo dito lang. So hold on. Antayin ko sila kung nagsishopping sila. Just there. So hintay lang tayo dito. Medyo tired na pero carry pa rin kasi shopping ka lang. Massage, extended rolling massage. Wow, so cool. And there's a scratches too. Para scratches. Oh, back scratchers. Back scratchers. It's like a tinidor. What else you find? So it's time to go home, guys, after our shopping galore. So thank you for watching my vlog, Australianang Bisaya. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification down below. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, reverse going back. There's still a mountain in that side. So this is the beauty of Australia. It's like a mountain country town. So look at the traffic. Bound to Sydney, bound. Going back to Sydney, so bumper to bumper, guys. Sydney bound. Yeah. Wow. Camera, so. Oh my God, going to Sydney. The terrorist is going there.
Imagine that one. Oh, look. Until there's full. So we're here in Kmart now. Kmart. So. So we're gonna go there this way. Oh dear. Traffic. Going back. They're going to work. Yeah, you're late. Ah, okay, we're going there because
Stop over Filipina, Nepalese, and Balinese. Representing from Balinese, from Nepal, and from the Philippines.
Here, guavas. She has guavas.
Ah, wow! Look at that! Guys, mag-garden tour tayo. Yan a garden tour. What the grab? Hey, are you allowed to pick it by yourself?
Yeah. Look, both is up.
Already. Yeah, it's already. That's.
Eat up.
So look at the guava, guys.
I eat later. I eat.
Someone eat it.
Eat.
Wow, here. Can I pick up it? Huh? Wow, here.
She's got a guava tree, and the guavas, no bullshit, they're that round like a tennis ball.
Praise from the garden, guys.
Well, you'll have
No, this one.
Leah, do you want some oranges?
No, I'm
This
not.
one?
She won.
This is the
When
best
do you
way to
want
eat these oranges
Thank you.
is
Thank you.
cut them in quarters and, you know. All right, okay, let me...
Ayun naman yun, habi. Ow. Look at your garden. Wow. Big garden. The girls says we have papaya, guava. There's no more guavas, Manju.
Next time. Oh, before is plenty and this packet to the
Really?
yeah, the bin. Get
Oh,
some
most
more.
of them are gone. There used to be a hell of a lot more of them.
Yeah. I used to remember Tina chuck it away, you know?
Yeah. Now these, they're sweet, but there's...
Orange speaking, guys.
The way I eat them, I cut them in quarters.
Yeah.
Instead of, you know...
Guava.
When it's all yellow, we come here to pick up more.
Yeah, you know, my neighbour that died, he was waiting for these to ripen. And
This one's very yellow, look.
yeah, take it off, Leah. Much traffic coming back?
Yeah.
No, coming back. No.
Oh no.
Going to Sydney. Lots of traffic.
Oh yeah. If you leave these a couple of days inside the house,
What are you doing, Jen? Yeah, Jen, pick your orange just for you.
This is Manju.
No, mine is that one already. I have.
I'll give you
So
two
I'm
more.
told, no?
They only come
I
round
got
once.
two. I think this is enough.
Next time we come and pick it up again. Then hard, that's enough.
Get some more. Don't worry about it. Eat.
Thank you very much, Reinhardt.
The Preggy Mama tired. The Prego Mama tired.
Oh, you're pregnant.
Yeah, we're gonna go home.
Oh, is this going to be the first one?
Second one.
Second.
Yes. It's nice
What's
voice,
the
no?
first one, boy or girl?
Girl, this one is boy.
You
Boy.
want a boy now?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
a boy.
it's a boy and it's a girl.
Then you'll have what they call a pigeon, you know, pigeon, those pigeons, a pigeon pair.
That's it.
You know why they call it that?
Why?
A pigeon always, when it lays eggs,
Yeah.
always lays two eggs and they're always male and female.
Boy and
What
girl.
about the tofu you said?
Oh yes! Oh God! I'm glad you... Geez. This is straight from the factory.
Yeah. So it's you have plastic bags like that one.
No, I'll get small ones.
No, you can get
one, two, please.
get this one, the guava one.
No, sweet. So